Thank you, committee, for the opportunity. My name is Saroj. I'm a second-year MPP fellow at Rutgers University, New Jersey, USA. So the main hypothesis of my project is a short 8 to 15 amino acid long peptide could have spontaneously formed on early Earth that could have used the minerals in its surrounding to form a short electrotransferring or catalytic protein as shown in Figure 1. A great example of a catalytic protein includes hydrogenase as shown in Figure 2. So what we wanted to do was really mimic the active site shown in the red circle and model a short peptide that could coordinate these metals and function as an acyl hydrogenase, right? So, and what we're trying to do right now is a structural characterization. Figure 3 is showing EV-Vis, showing two distinct species. Figure 4, EPR of both reduced and oxidized form of our enzyme. And Figure 5 is a gas chromatography, which shows the hydrogen production as compared to the control. With that, thank you, and please don't hesitate to email me at the left bottom if you have any questions.